Hi guys, welcome. A quick video. Carli is a project we have, and it's about ArcoLinuxISO.com is the website. It's about creating your own ISO from scratch, and it's something you should maintain in the sense that it's a side project of ArcoLinux, and you need to create your own Calamares the way you see it's your vision of modules, etc., etc. Now Calamares will need to be rebuilt by you at some point in time, and it's not up to us to deliver you a Calamares, a working Calamares application or a working Calamares configuration. We give you the tools, we give you the tutorials, but it is up to you to create your own repos and put everything on there what you need. So in here we have an issue at this point in time. We need to get the proper Calamares version in here. So yes, voila. And then we have to look maybe in the updates, maybe it will give you some information. But we need to get the newest Calamares, and this is the version 45 to 47. So you need to be building the next ISO with the proper versions. By that I mean Calamares relies on other applications, on dependencies. If you use an old application that points to folders and libraries that are not there anymore, it's never gonna work. So you need to build it again, your Calamares installer, and that's entirely up to you. So you just saw the version jump that we made, and suddenly everything works, right? That's the message for sure. And for the rest, yeah, it's just your standard routine installation, choosing your language, well, keyboard language and erase disk, and you choose whatever you want to choose, right? Let's do something else, always the same thing. Next, and then you go fill in the rest. Voila. Next, install, and I'll pause the video and then we'll wait and we'll boot up. And there it is, the message to restart your system. Done. So remember, applications that stay the same, and then so Calamares stays the same and everything else around it is updated. That's not gonna work, right? So some of these things, from time to time, you need to rebuild them because the version numbers are changed, and one number is already enough to have something. Well, you saw the message, the error message of user. Enfin, that's it, guys. Have fun with Carli 10. So ArcoLinuxISO.com. It's maybe not for now yet, but know that you can build your own ISO from scratch, make your own decisions. Go away from Plasma, get Cinnamon in there. It's all explained on ArcoLinuxISO.com, the Carli project. All right, cheers.